Hello and welcome to Variables D, where we're going to do a personal weight calculator. We're going to be doing some metric conversions, and you're going to get used to storing some information in variables, converting it to the right kind of variable, and then even rounding the number. Personal weight metric calculator. In Canada, we most often use pounds for weight, even though we are a metric nation. It's kind of weird. So let's get started. What is your name? I'm going to type in my name. And then, so that makes it personal. So you can see I've already stored Henry and I used it in this console.writeLine here. So Henry, how much do you weigh in pounds? Well, I weigh 241 pounds. And I'm going to press enter. And Henry, your 241 pounds is equivalent to 109.31589117399 in kilograms. Well, we're going to want to round that off. So here's the starting. You can just copy these down. You're going to just write a bunch of console.writelines. You're going to look at your personal weight metric calculator. That's our little title. Then we got a little explanation of what it does. So in Canada, we use pounds for our weight, even though we are a metric nation, right? It says, let's get started. What is your name? So we're going to store that. So you're going to need to make variables, okay? And you have to declare what kind of variable they are. So a name, you're going to need one for pounds and possibly for kilograms. You could do it with or without a variable for kilograms because you could just use the calculation. You need to remember that console.readline accepts info from the keyboard, but it does it as a string. If you want it to be stored in an integer, you would use convert to int 32 with console.readline inside. And if you want it to be stored as a double, you'd use convert to double with console.readline inside. We are going to get you to round the number. So just as an example here, I'm going to show you, this wouldn't be part of your thing, but I'm going to show you a double num, and I just put in a number with some decimals. And I made sure I declared it as a double. And then I console.writeLine with math.round, the number I want to round, and the number of decimals I want to round it to. So if I wrote 3, it would be 1.235 because it would round it up. But if I write 1, it should be 1.2. And it worked. That's your challenge. Get this whole thing done. I am not going to show you how to do it in the video after this. You got to figure it out on your own. You can use peer tutors or helpers, but you will be asked to self-evaluate. Were you able to do it on your own, or did you need help from other people? Thanks for watching.